Hey fam, I'm going to start out by asking you to hit that like button. Is it better that way or the other way? Creepy either way, I know. But that's kind of what makes it good, right? Um, so everything I say in all my videos is simply my opinion, simply for the sake of conversation, hoping to open up a discussion and to learn something. I always hope that they're educational for others as well, and all my videos are made specifically for YouTube. It's an entertainment platform. All those bases covered, you guys. Ah! The gaslighting. The gaslighting is insane, is it not? Um, so why do I dislike gaslighters so much? Because it's really hard to keep up with them. And let me just say, typically, gaslighters are people with personality disorders. People who cannot tell the truth have deep-seated issues that are ingrained into their personalities. And the bottom line, this is just cutting straight to the chase. The bottom line is that they fear abandonment and rejection. So they're going to abandon you first and not give you a chance. And we could go on and on about that, but essentially that's where it's stemming from. So they will lie to you a mile a minute because they just can't deal with a real relationship. And it's hard to keep up with them. So why am I even bringing this up? I'm going back to that Idaho 4 case, all right? We started out with this case with two 19-year-olds, two 20-year-olds, and two 21-year-olds, and a 26-year-old as the lead detective, all right? We have an entire house of 21-year-olds, except for Xana. Xana was 20, and so was her boyfriend. And yeah, I know we've been figuring this out, haven't we? But in one of the body cam videos, the one from September 2nd, where Xana's wearing shorts and a sweatshirt and the police come to her door and kind of rip her a new one, and she seems pretty intoxicated. She's doing this and she's saying, I'm just trying to get to sleep, leave me alone. And they're like, but what about Morgan? She's like, I don't have a Morgan. Right? So they're trying to figure out Madison's name. Maddie Mogan. Morgan was close, I'll give him that. But let's see, I wrote it down, the 38-minute and 40-second mark on that video from September 2nd of 2022, Xana says, what's the quote? My roommates are 21. I'm the only one who's not. Essentially, that might not be verbatim, but it's very close. My roommates are 21 is verbatim. Her stating that she's not 21 is the next thing she says. So why does that even matter? Everybody that lived in the house was 21 except Xana. So I was going to make a video about some other things, but you know, my YouTube was just kind of playing in the background, and that video just kind of came on autopilot, and I caught that little clip of Xana saying that. I will put the link to that into the description of this video so you can listen for yourself if you're interested. My roommates are 21. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Sending you light, sending you love, and don't accept anything less than respect and kindness from others. All right? Take good care of yourself, eat well, stay hydrated, high protein, high produce, and get your exercise, rest, and relaxation. Sunshine and fresh air. You know the drill.